Our Aerospace group has dedicated professionals providing metal component and assembled solutions. Utilizing our 5-axis CNC machines and our automated palletized system, we are optimized to competitively produce components and assemblies, working directly for some of the largest players in the industry on variants like the F-35, the only 5th-generation fighter jet in the world. Whether it is aluminum or hard metal components or tabletop assemblies such as handrails, aircraft consoles, or power distribution panels. Vertically integrated, we take full control of your component, part, or assembly from start to finish, all at Apex, including our in-house secondary processing facility. Keeping our customers competitive for over 60 years in business, we have put great value on advancing and growing with technology. Industry 4.0, artificial intelligence, automation, and other advanced manufacturing methodologies have all become ingrained in our DNA. Our team of passionate professionals work to give you the edge, making our Apex Aerospace Group the clear choice for your manufacturing supply partner.